Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi allazina istafa amma ba'd. Qala Allah tabarak wa ta'ala fil kalamil majid wal furqanil hamid wal asr innal insana lafi khusr illa allazina amanu wa aamal salihati wa tawasaw bil haqq wa tawasaw bis sabr. My respected brothers, I was talking few days on taqwa. Yesterday I gave few examples to show you how our elders behaved in taqwa. Few examples, so we can follow also. Taqwa is not just upper the sky. We can also practice. I have more example for you today also, inshallah. Once Abdullah ibn Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, once Abdullah ibn Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu was on a journey. So on the way, there were a shepherd grazing the sheep. Abdullah was hungry. He asked him, "Would you please give me some milk?" He said, "No, I cannot give you milk." He said, "I'll buy for you, I'll give you money. Give me the goat." But that Darya was a man of taqwa. He said, "I cannot sell you without the permission of my master." So Abdullah ibn Umar said, "He's not here." Listen carefully. He is not here. So then, what shepherd said? "Okay, if my master is not there, what about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? He's watching." You see? This is called taqwa. That Guerrilla shepherd had a taqwa. Allah was watching us. If we think Allah is watching me at every time, He is Basir, how can we commit any sin? We cannot. In the time of Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal rahimahullah, there was a woman, old lady. She used to spin the thread. Then in that street, the king with his light, lot of light, in the night time used to pass. And she used to continue the spin thread. Now she felt, what is that? She went to Ahmad bin Hanbal rahimahullah. Hazrat, what I said, what should I do? I earned so much money through that threading, but I made that thread under the light of the king, and the king income is haram. Can I? Then Ahmad bin Hanbal said, "Okay, if you believe so, the king income is haram, and therefore your income is also haram, me no problem." Look, the woman made some thread under the light of the king passing by. Who was she? She was the sister of Bashir Hafi rahmatullah alayh, great wali Allah and Sheikh of Ahmad bin Hanbal rahimahullah. Then what happened? Third example. The governor of Baghdad levied lot of taxes on the people. Too much. There was one pious lady. She was very rich. She went to the governor, look, I have so many 100 kilo jewelry at my home, and I'll send your person with me, so I'll give you whole my jewelry, but take away order of the taxes of the public. I will sacrifice my jewelry, you take away the taxes of the public. At this, of course, Guru was very much ashamed. Women love jewelry, you know that. He said, don't worry. Keep, and even she brought jewelry. Some think she brought jewelry. And Guru said, okay, you take jewelry back. I will not levy tax, take order back. She said, what? I show you jewelry? King said, yes. Once a ghair mahram nazar on my jewelry, I cannot wear back. This is yours, take it. Put in the khazana of the kingdom. Fourth example of taqwa. Imam Abu Hanifa rahimahullah, he was very rich. He had big business of silk, cloth. He had a lot of shops in the Baghdad. But he gave order to all his managers of the shops that daytime, any time cloud come, close the shop. That's it. Why? Imam Sahib said, in the cloud, the customer cannot recognize the proper color of the cloth. This is taqwa. Same Abu Hanifa rahimahullah. Some Swaal came, some person came, he asked question, Hazrat, make dua. What happened? Somebody stole my goat. Somebody stole my goat. Okay, Hazrat made dua. Now, Hazrat was thinking, next day, maybe the goat has been stolen. Maybe today, somebody did zabiha and sell in the market. And my servant buy it, khadim buy it. I don't want to eat haram food. Then Imam Sahib asked the shepherd people, expertise, tell me, what is the maximum age of a goat? The shepherd said, 7 years. From that day, Imam Sahib did not eat the goat meat for 7 years in Baghdad. Maybe today that goat may be butchered today and meat come in the market. You understand, brother? This is a taqwa, not to do any doubtful act. And last example, then 10 minutes. Ibn Siri rahmatullah alayh, he was expertise in the dream interpreting. ख्वाब को बयान करने में माहिर थे इब्न सीरी रहमतुल्लाह अलैह. And there is book also in the market about him. He had business of the butter. So one day he went to his warehouse. There were about 40 big jar of the butter. And he found also one mouse dipped in the butter. I said, what is that? Where he come from? There are 40 jar. Ibn Sri Rahmatullah alayhi, to which, I don't know from which jar he came out. So he gave all 40 jar of butter in sadaqah. He never did the business. These are the few examples I gave you how our elders were very, very keenly careful about the life. We should not do any doubtful, negative act at all. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with the quality of great taqwa, which is the fruit of Ramadan, and especially now, last 10 days are the essence of Ramadan. Ameen, Summan. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa barak wa sallam. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasana wa qina adhaban nar. Sallallahu ta'ala ala habibihi Sayyidina Muhammad wa alihi. Please share this video as a sadaqah jariyah. Jazakallah khair.